So once you get signed up through, you go through a highway, you're onboarded, you have your own authority, you get access to our platform, right? So they just go in, they create their own profile. I mean, you can book right here. So let me log out to just kind of show you the experience here. So if you don't have an account, but you have all of your credentials, yep, you go in here. Email, you pick the email address you want to use. Super simple. Once you're in through Highway, you get an email from us. It gives you your cheat code, and that's what you need to get your credentials in. And you're in. It can take up to 48 hours, but it can take 10 minutes also. So it just depends on.
So let's go back to the app. So let's see how it works.
Yes, let's go forward where you can book on designated lanes, right? Okay. So you can have 100 loads for a month, and you place a bid on them, and you can do that consistently. So let's get it to load. Okay. So this is just showing me based off of what I've called. It'll present you some recommended loads that you've done in the past and something similar that you can call, right? So we can look at this one. Here we go. Oceanside, California to Fontana, the mileage.
Let's look something better than that. We are not going to do the short haul. Okay. So let's go to California to Alabama.
California, Alabama. Okay, 2,100 miles right here. This is an STF load, so sanitary, humid. There's specific requirements. I mean, if you're a reefer, you already are probably meeting those standards, correct? So, so here you can book. You can book this offer right now, this price, or you can make an offer.
So let's look at the details. So you tell, okay, well, you guys need a reefer, 53, it's 1,300 pounds.
Yes.
Distance, no team ticket. Okay, so we picking up in California. We're going to Walmart.
Correct.
You made appointment. So appointment is not made.
No, the appointment is not made. So the appointment gets made once there's a driver assigned to the load. Then the appointment will get made.
What if Walmart is too busy and then I have to sit there for 2 days?
I know.
I don't like that. I would not book this as a pro dispatch.
Correct. I hear you. But a lot of our loads, like this is one of them. But I mean, a lot of them have the appointment set.
We're also going to Walmart.
So here you go.
Okay.
This one is already appointment set, 2:30.